to Baking with Hannah. Today I will be teaching you how to make a chocolate and lemon buttercream cake. Before we get started, you will have to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. The ingredients you will be needing will come up on the screen right now. Heat up some dairy-free chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl just until it's melted. The next thing you'll have to do is mix together your butter, sugar, flour, eggs, and cocoa powder until you have a smooth consistency. Once you've got a nice consistency, mix your melted chocolate in. Once you've finished mixing in your ingredients, butter your cake pan so that your cake mix doesn't stick to it once it's baked. Make sure to use dairy-free butter and go around the sides and the bottom. Now for the lemon buttercream, you will need the first thing you will need to do is beat your butter until it's fluffy and gradually add your powdered sugar to the mixture. Once you're done with your lemon buttercream, you're ready to decorate your cake. For this cake, I will be cutting it in half, putting icing on top, and putting the other side on top to create a half birthday cake because my nephew turned 6 months old today. Ta-da! And your cake is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more dairy-free recipes. See you next time. Bye!